its coordination to perform different tasks. Then is the concept of human mind as per Sigmund Freud's theories. So mind is comprising of conscious, the preconscious and the unconscious mind, as depicted by the iceberg over here. So what we see is the conscious mind, which is very less, even less than 10%, and what we don't see is the hidden dimension. Even when you observe a person, what you see through his action is just 10% of what he is internally. Rest of the 90% is hidden in his depth. So where the unconscious and preconscious mind dominates. So these are the something about details about the minds. And what we do is we develop certain type of mental patterns to understand our environment. We receive data through the five senses, but make a mental pattern of those integrated senses, and to understand the world around us. So we develop certain sort of mind maps and use them to move ahead in life. That is the fundamental concept of pattern making. So when you study something, there is the similar game like mind map making or the mind pattern making. So here I have written something about the information processing theories like the Atkinson and Shiffrin stage theories. So it's just like that, the multi-store model. You receive information from the environment through the sensory inputs. It is stored in the sensory memory first thing, then it goes to the short-term memory, then it goes to the long-term memory, and this is the exact operation as done in a computer system. So human mind-brain system is just the computer system with much more advanced things in some aspects. Then let's begin with the chapter 2, which is active learning state. So normally a person is having thoughts of diverging issues. He is having unstable and freaky thoughts. So he is not mentally in a state to learn. So the first task is to change the brainwave frequencies of the student. So he is in a state of learning, which is called the state of active learning. And there is involvement of human brain waves, because brain and the mind, they coordinates via the brain waves, and these brain waves are categorized into 5 types: alpha, beta, gamma, delta and theta, out of which delta corresponds to the deep sleep, then theta corresponds to meditation and creativity, alpha corresponds to relaxed reflection, correspond to problem solving, and gamma corresponds to heightened awareness. So whatever we feel like